Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Fight Podcast for UFC Fight Night. Michael Chiesa versus Neil Magny. मेरे साथ है मेरा दोस्त अर्नव।
हेलो गाइस हेलो।
बहुत लोगों को ये फाइट हो रहा है करके पता नहीं होगा ये कार्ड है करके, बिकॉज यूजुअली ये टाइम पे कार्ड्स नहीं आते, बट द कार्ड इज टुडे आई 20th of January and starts at 7:30 p.m. So let me start with the main event for this card. माइकल केसा जो अपने आप को मैवरिक बुलाते हैं, उनका अगर हम रिकॉर्ड देखें अब तक, वो स्टार्ट किए थे फ्रॉम लाइट वेट एंड उनके लाइट वेट में बहुत अच्छे विंस भी हैं. ही हैज डिफीटेड आला क्विंटा फॉर एग्जांपल, हु वाज द वन हु फॉट अगेंस्ट खबीब फॉर टाइटल, एंड होरे मास्विडाल को उन्होंने नॉकडाउन किया था एट लाइट वेट, बट देन इवेंचुअली लॉस्ट टू हिम बाय सबमिशन. एंड देन ही इज ऑल्सो गॉट गुड विंस ओवर बेनील डारुइश, जो अभी यूएफसी के रैंकिंग्स में देखेंगे करेंटली रैंक नंबर 12 है यूएफसी के लाइट वेट रैंकिंग्स में. उसके अलावा ही इज ऑल्सो फॉट केविन ली एंड एंथनी पेटिस, but lost via submission, which is when he decided to move up to welterweight. And Michael Chiesa जब से welterweight में गए हैं, he has won all his fights. Carlos Condit को उन्होंने हराया था via submission, and then Diego Sanchez को उन्होंने हराया decision से. And उनका best win and the most recent win was against RDA, जहाँ पे he got a unanimous decision against him. And अगर हम नील मैग्नी के बारे में बोलें तो ही इज ऑलवेज बीन अ वेल्टरवेट. उन्होंने वेल्टरवेट में बहुत सारे अच्छे विंस लिए हैं. वन विच अर्ली इन हिज करियर इज डिफीटेड केल्विन गैस्टलम. इफ यू रिमेंबर, केल्विन गैस्टलम वर्सेस इस्राएल अडेसानिया हुआ था इंटरिम टाइटल के लिए, एंड इट्स ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फाइट्स ऑफ अडेसानिया's career, which is right now he is at middleweight, but at a point he was a welterweight. उसके अलावा इन welterweight he's also had a win over Johnny Hendricks. He's also fought and beat Carlos Condit, Li Jingliang, who has recently knocked out Santiago Ponzinibbio, and then he's lost to Santiago Ponzinibbio and RDA. But उसका जो recent run है, in 2020 he beat Li Jingliang, he beat Anthony Rocco Martin, and arguably his best win was on August 29, 2020 against Robbie Lawler. तो दोनों अच्छे 3 फाइट विन स्ट्रिक पे हैं, दोनों बहुत डिसेंट फाइटर्स हैं. एंड रैंकिंग वाइज अगर देखें तो वन इज रैंक्ड एट नंबर 9, दैट इज नील मैग्नी, एंड माइकल किएसा इज एट नंबर 8. अभी अगर फाइट स्टाइल डिस्कस करने जाए, आई थिंक बोथ आर गुड ग्रैपलर्स. किएसा का अगर हम रिकॉर्ड देखें तो ही डजंट हैव एनी नॉकआउट्स येट. मैग्नी हैज सम नॉकआउट्स, बट he is also good at submissions mainly. वैसे अर्नव, तुम्हें क्या लगता है, who are you favoring in this fight?
नील मैग्नी काफ़ी एक्टिव रहा है पिछले साल, जो उसके एडवांटेज में जाएगा. लास्ट 3 मैचेस, लास्ट मैच वॉज August 30th 2020, और किएसा का रहा है जैन फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ 2020, और उससे पहले भी काफ़ी कम फाइट्स रहे थे. ही इज़ नॉट बीन दैट एक्टिव, तो बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क है वो कैसा कल होगा वो. सो इफ आई हैड टू bet my money on, I would bet it on Chiesa.
Oh,
because Magny ka striking is very decent only, not something extraordinary. He does have a good jab, but that's all he has. Like he has a good reach, but the same thing can be said about Chiesa. Chiesa has kicks, which Magny does as well, but I see Chiesa dominating.
okay. So मैं अगर पिक करना चाहूँ,
I think he is reinventing himself tomorrow.
Michael Chiesa, right? And वैसे एक interesting thing about both, Neil Magny called out Khamzat Chimaev recently, and he was one of those guys जिसने he didn't refuse.
Yeah. Mad respect. Yeah. But it would have been a really one-sided beatdown if it happened.
Yeah.
Because Magny ka skill level isn't elite, to be honest, and when Chimaev is very relentless. उसका exact opposite ऐसा fighter नहीं fight करना चाहिए, shouldn't be taking that fight. And by the way, कल 5 round fight है, correct?
Yes. proper 5-round fight होगा. And just to mention, Michael Chiesa also had called out Colby Covington in his last fight after his last win. And I would argue वहाँ पे भी same case होगा. Probably Colby would have defeated him. But that shows that these two are very much confident in their current abilities.
Yeah,
They
but
can
if
face
the
the
fight
best.
goes later rounds, so I would see Magny winning the later rounds
Okay.
because Chiesa does have a questionable gas time for the late rounds. But I go with it's going to be a close fight. If it goes to the ground, both are pretty decent BJJ.
Right.
He has pretty impressive BJJ wins, submissions. Chiesa.
Right.
So yeah, it's a 45-55. I'm going with Chiesa.
Okay. I am picking Magny because like Magny का अगर मैं record देखूं and उसका fighting style भी देखूं, I find a lot of things which he does good for his own body. Like वो अपने longer limbs का बहुत अच्छा advantage लेता है, which I have not seen a lot of people do. Chiesa also does a lot of things grappling wise, but not having any knockouts in his career and क्या बोलते हैं, overall that may like end up hurting him because opponent might take him क्या बोलते हैं, opponent might go forward and strike more rather than getting scared of him. Usually people have a threat कि हाँ they can knock people out, but Michael Chiesa has the opposite of it. People will try striking with him because they know that he doesn't have any knockouts in his career. And like you said, he has a questionable gas tank, and something tells me Neil Magny might take it, but I'm hoping for a good fight. उसके अलावा we also have some good fighters. Not
one of the
good
main
match.
reasons that he had a questionable gas tank was because he was fighting in 155 earlier, and
correct.
Yeah, it's not an excuse, but still, like it's not him only, but his weight cuts are pretty hard. Like you could see the videos, he was crying in some of them, almost. So,
and अगर उसको अभी देखें तो you won't even feel like he was a 155.
Right.
Recent weight cut kind of.
You're right.
So let's hope for a good fight. I actually think this will go all 5 rounds actually, because both are very competitive and that type of fighters who will fight for longer rather than quick knockouts as such.
Yes.
वैसे मैग्नी और केसा के अलावा अगर बाकी फाइटर्स के बारे में बात करें तो वॉर्ली हॉल्स इज वेरी मच फेमस फॉर बीटिंग कोल्बी कविंगटन एट अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. उसके बाद से ही ऑब्वियसली लॉस्ट. इतना अच्छा फाइटर नहीं है बट ही इज एट कॉमन पोजिशन. उसके अलावा वी ऑल्सो हैव रॉक्सेन मोदाफेरी, द एनिमे क्वीन ऑफ दिस MMA वर्ल्ड. Look out for her. She is a very good fighter. Not as violent, but good fighter. Tyson Nam is a knockout artist, good fighter. But the fight which I'm very excited to talk about is Khabib's cousin, almost his younger brother, Umar Nurmagomedov, is finally debuting in UFC and fighting against a fighter called Sergey Morozov. वैसे जिनको उमर नुरमागोमेदोव के बारे में नहीं पता, let me just tell you, imagine Khabib but with kicking power, with very good kicks.
इसका kicking is very good.
Bro, वो ना जैसे लोग जैब करते हैं ना वैसे वो किक्स मारता है. I don't know how to say that. उमर अभी तक उसका रिकॉर्ड अगर देखें तो he is 12-0, undefeated है वो भी, and he has fought in PFL for example against Sidemar Honorio, and he is a very good prospect from GFC, the organization which Khabib recently bought, which is now renamed as Eagle Fighting Championship. And Umar is a very very talented prospect to look out for. जिनको Khabib बहुत पसंद है, you have to watch this guy because he is the future of the bantamweight division. And उसका जो opponent है Sergey Morozov, he is from Kazakhstan, and उसका अगर recent record देखें, he has a 4-fight win streak. He is not a bad fighter as such. He is having a very good record. He is 16-4, which is a very decent record. And अगर prospects wise देखें तो probably this would be a very telling outcome जो जिस भी side पे जाएगा. If Umar Nurmagomedov is able to maintain the legacy of Khabib and stay undefeated or no. Very much hype, and I'm not giving any predictions. Do watch.
He's a pretty good fighter. He has very good sparring partners as well. So he should win this one. I don't know about the other guy, but he does spar with elites in AK, so he should do well.
Right. So for this card, I guess this is it. But we also have a very huge card coming up, which is Conor McGregor versus Dustin Poirier in 4 days this weekend. So make sure अभी ये कार्ड के बारे में let me just tell 7:30 को कार्ड स्टार्ट होने वाला है. Probably उमर का fight would be at around 8 o'clock. So try to watch it at 8 p.m. by the way. And जो main card है इसका will start at around 10:30. So fights will end really early. तुम लोग सब fights देख सकते हैं and you can enjoy it. And मिलते हैं next card के लिए. तब तक के लिए इतना ही. Enjoy the fights. Bye.
Take care.
Bye.
Stay safe. चल हो गया ना?
Yes.
Nice.